Our next topic is about generators, which is also one of the key concepts in Python. So again, I will try to explain based on scenario. Suppose you want a certain list of items or list of numbers. There are few ways you can generate it. Either you declare all the values or use a range function to generate that sequence. But in the above approach, sequence is generated at once and the entire set, or you can say entire set of items, will be made available in the memory. This is okay if you have a small sequence. But let's say you want to generate millions of sequences. And if you use a range function, then it generates that many sequences at once and will be stored and made available in the memory itself. This can take very high memory utilization, which is not good. So how should we solve this? Yes, use a generator. So a generator is a kind of function, but its behavior is little different. Generator will generate sequence of items as needed, meaning for millions, all items will not be generated at once like normal range function. Instead, it returns a sequence as needed by yield operation. One item is generated at a time. So it is very memory efficient, and whenever we need an item, we can use the next function. We can have more than one yield statement as well. If you call the generator function, it will return the generator object. Then you can use the next function on that object to get the next sequence of items as needed. What is the use of it? It is very memory efficient and helps in generating infinite sequence or very large sequence without any overhead of memory. Also, it is very easy to implement. Syntactically, if you see, it looks similar to list comprehension with only one change. We use round brackets for generator and square brackets for the list.